Hi guys, here I have all ingredients, but I'm gonna show you right now. We're gonna need fava beans, Peruvian corn, pumpkin, potatoes, pasta, salt and black pepper, dry shrimps, onion, garlic, Olluco, cheese, milk, cilantro, or any fresh herb that you have on hand, oregano, and also we're gonna use eggs. And now let's get started with the recipe. We're gonna be adding the onion and garlic in a hot vegetable oil. And then add the pumpkin and potatoes. Add water until the vegetables are covered and let it cook. When the vegetables are cooked, you will crush them just a little bit. And add enough water because here is where we are cook our soup. Now I'm adding the Peruvian corn, then the fava beans, dry shrimps, salt and pepper. Cover the soup and let it cook until the vegetables are cooked. Now let's add the Olluco. We're gonna add the pasta. And finally add the cilantro and oregano. And let cook for a few minutes more. And now we're gonna add cheese and milk, little by little. And as soon as you can, turn off the heat and add the eggs one by one. Cover it and let cook at soup temperature. Remember, we have already turned off the heat. Look at the eggs, guys. They are perfectly cooked. It's time to serve. Guys, if you see this soup looks delicious, the recipe is easy, and you can replace some ingredients if you don't have it at home, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, share this recipe with your friends and family. And she's my little girl, her name is Candy. She's my partner in crime every Wednesdays with my recipes, but she has her own videos every Saturdays. Stay tuned. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.